Good morning students, welcome to my class. So in class 1B maths, today we are going to do ordinal numbers, okay? We are already doing ordinal numbers we have done in our live classes, isn't it? So today we are going to do ordinal numbers page 19. But before that, let me tell you what are cardinal numbers. They tell us about the quantity, okay, of a person, okay, of people or objects, means that is something. They tell us the quantity. How many pencils do you have? How many chocolates do you have? Okay, how many books do you have? How many copies do you have? But whereas ordinal numbers, they tell us the you can say they tell us the position of people or objects, that is something like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. All these are the positions. Okay, the boy came fifth in the race. So what is his position in the race? The boy came fifth in the race. Okay, so today we are going to do page 19. Okay, you please see this page. Look at the calendar shown below and fill in the blanks with the correct ordinal numbers. So we are going to see the calendar is given here. Okay, I also said you to learn the 12 months. Okay, the spellings, the names of the 12 months and their spellings. Alright, so you please see this one. January is the dash month of the year. Okay, see number 1. Okay, January is the dash month of the year. Dash. Please see students, January is the dash month of the year. Okay, is the dash month of the year. Month of the year. So January is the first month of the year. What? Here what we are going to write? We are going to write first month of the year. January is the first month of the year. Okay. Alright. In the form of spellings you write down. Okay. Alright. You can also write 1ST. That also you can write. It will also be correct. Okay. March is the dash month of the year. Okay. You see. This is March. Is the dash month of the year. Dash month of the year. March is the third month of the year. Okay. Please see. The dash month of the year has only 3 letters in its name. The dash month. The dash month of the year has only 3 letters in its name. So the dash month of the year has only 3 letters in its name. Which is the month? January, February, March, April, May. You see in May how many letters are there? There are 3 letters. So the fifth month of the year has only 3 letters in its name. Okay, you please see once again. You see, January is the first month of the year. Okay, March is the third month of the year. The fifth month of the year has only 3 letters in its name. Okay, please see. Next one you see, October is the dash month of the year. Okay. October is the dash month of the year. Next number 4 it is. Okay. October is the dash month of the year. So October is the 10th month of the year, isn't it? You just count January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So October is the 10th month of the year. Okay. Alright. Next one, you see the names of the dash, dash and dash months starts with the letter J. The names of the dash, dash and dash months, dash, dash and dash months start with the letter J. Months start with the letter J. Okay, so which month starts with the letter J? So you see, let us start from the first. Okay, so first is January. So we are going to write down first the names of the first, then January, February, March, April, May, June. June is the 6th month. Okay, first, 6th and July. July is the 7th month. Okay, 7 months start with the letter J. So once again you see here, October is the 10th month of the year. Okay, October is the 10th month of the year, and the names of the first, 6th and 7th months starts with the letter J. Alright. You see next, our Independence Day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is our Independence Day falls in the dash month of the year. Our Independence Day falls in the dash month of the year. Dash month of the year. So when is our Independence Day? Independence Day is on 15th August, isn't it? So you see, just count which month is August. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So August is the 8th month. Okay, August is the 8th month of the year. Our Independence Day falls in the 8th month of the year. Okay. Next one, you see, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the dash month of the year. When is Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October, isn't it? Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the dash month of the year. So Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated. It is celebrated on 2nd October, isn't it? So 2nd October, you see, just see which month it is. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So October is the 10th month of the year. Alright, October is the 10th month of the year. Once again, you see, our Independence Day falls in the 8th month of the year. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the 10th month of the year. Okay, alright. So the most important thing here is you have to fill in the blanks with the correct ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers, they tell us the position of people or something. That is, it can be any object. Alright. Okay. So please learn the names of the months also. You are learning here, isn't it? Like January is the first month of the year. February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. May is the fifth month of the year. June is the sixth month of the year. July is the seventh month of the year. August is the eighth month of the year. September is the ninth month of the year. October is the 10th month of the year. November is the 11th month of the year, and December is the 12th month of the year. In this way also you can practice at home. Okay, and you should know the names of the months. I said you also to learn the names of the days of the week, isn't it? You see here like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day of the week. Thursday is the fourth day of the week. Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week, and Sunday is the seventh day of the week. In this way you can practice. All right. Okay. Now you see, once again I am saying you this practice done. This is page number 19. Once again I am saying January is the first month of the year. March is the third month of the year. The dash month of the year has only 3 letters in its name. So the fifth month of the year has only 3 letters in its name. October is the 10th month of the year. The names of the first, 6th and 7th, okay? 6th and 7th month starts with the letter J, okay? Start with the letter J. Our Independence Day falls in the 8th month of the year. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in the 10th month of the year. Okay, in this way you have to practice, students. Okay, please practice. Okay, so we have completed ordinal numbers lesson 2. We have completed. Once again I am telling you, you have to learn the spellings from 1st to 10th. Alright, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. You can refer to page number 17. Okay, you see here all these children are going to the zoo. You can see the picture that is given on page number 17, and you can say Tanya is the first child entering the zoo. Okay, Tanya is the first one to enter the zoo. Rahul is the second one to enter the zoo. Tarun is the third one to enter the zoo. Manish is the fourth one to enter the zoo. Neha is the fifth one to enter the zoo. Raj is the sixth one to enter the zoo. Sukhbir is the seventh one to enter the zoo. Jitesh is the 8th one to enter the zoo. Karan is the 9th one to enter the zoo. Ankit is the 10th one to enter the zoo. Okay, in this way you have to do it. Just practice reading at home. When you are doing all these things, you have to practice reading. Okay, please practice reading. Okay, and color the caps of the clowns as per the given instructions. I told you to do this as homework. Okay, so you see your 1st, 5th and 8th will be red. Then 6th and 7th you color it blue. You have to color it with crayons. Okay, 1st, 5th and 8th you do it with red. 6th and 7th you do it with blue. 2nd, 4th and 10th you do it with green. And 3rd and 9th you do it with yellow. Okay, then draw lines and match as shown. Okay, you please do this in the book itself. Okay, so you match. Okay, if you do it, practice it in your home copy. You can do it in the form of straight matching. Matching should always be straight. Okay, so you do it like first, F-I-R-S-T, first, then 1 ST you write in that way. Okay, you can do it like, see, 7th it is given here 7. Okay, so like this you can do. 7th it is given here 7, you just match it 7. Okay, then you see 2nd is given there straight matching. This is called straight matching. Okay, this is known as straight matching. You can do it in this way. Alright, students. Okay, please do this. So ordinal numbers, we have completed lesson 2 ordinal numbers. Okay, thank you.